Okay, so this video is just to show you the basics for what we are going to be using Desmos for. So Desmos does have an app. If I also went to desmos.com, I could get the same information. Now here we have, this is the interface when we load the app. I'm going to mainly use this for graphing. Okay, if I'm on the computer, I could just be typing these numbers in instead of clicking them. But I just wanted to show you a couple of basic graphs here. Okay, the first one I'm going to graph a line. So if you notice on the left-hand side, different from our graphing calculators is it doesn't say y equals. So I have to put in y equals. The good thing about this is on the left-hand side, if you notice, it has that little like hazard symbol, which tells us that I can't graph that right now. So it kind of gives you the indication that, hey, you have to change something here in order to graph it. So if I wanted to graph just a simple line, okay, maybe I want to 3x, if you notice it comes up as I'm typing, plus 2. So again, this is the line, y equals 3x plus 2. I could zoom in, I could zoom out. If I wanted to go all the way out, I could move it around with my finger, which is great. I can do this also for the desktop version. I could add multiple graphs here. I could, if I wanted to, if I didn't really like that one, I can get rid of it just by pressing the X. So graphing a line is nice and easy. If I wanted to graph a parabola, again, I'm going to stick with kind of what I was doing on my other video. Y equals... I'm going to put this in vertex form. X, again, as I type, things change here. X plus 2, close parentheses, squared, plus 5. Okay, again, I have my parabola graphed right here as I go. And I can move things around. If I wanted to change this, maybe I wanted it to be delete -5, in which case, again, it shoots it down, changes it in real time as I go. So that's the benefit of this. If I made a mistake on something, okay, if I didn't put a number there, again, if you notice, it gives me this symbol here, which means I'm doing something wrong. I can't graph that as is. So here, this works for if I'm looking to see what points are on this graph, if I'm looking to see what the vertex is. Again, I could zoom in, -2, -5 is my vertex. I could see what points it goes through if I had a multiple choice question like that. So again, I'm going to use this mainly for graphing. Desmos has a ton of different resources that you can use this for. However, this is what I want you guys using this one for. So hopefully this helped and kind of alleviated any confusions you guys may have. And thanks a lot, guys.